In today's video, I'll show you how to create a soft and elegant opening where flower-like elements unfold on the screen to reveal your video. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline. This animation works best when it introduces the scene gently. Tap on the video clip to select it, then tap on Animation from the bottom toolbar. Now switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animations until you find flower display, then apply it. Once applied, you'll see floral elements opening and spreading across the screen, gradually revealing the video underneath in a smooth and graceful way. Use the duration slider to control how fast the flowers open. A shorter duration creates a quicker and more lively reveal. A longer duration makes the animation feel calm, soft, and cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so it matches the mood of your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a flower display reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.